Okay, this is a vacuum chamber that I've been making for some time. I've been wanting to get these finished, so I'm finishing up. See, I got silicone in this track right there, and this is going to set down on the silicone to make a seal, and that's going to make it so that the vacuum is going to come through here when it's on the vacuum table over there, and everything will go down into this chamber through the holes. I'll have a sanding vacuum table so that I can sand, and it'll just go right down into this unit that I have hooked up on one of my large table saws, my Deltas. And I made this so that you can have a filter that is removable. You can pull it in and out, and all the draw comes from inside the saw when it's cutting. You can see it works great. It comes right through here, and then it piles up. The big chunks pile up there, the little chunks get on here. So I'll clean that off every once in a while, but it works great. I got to put a little seal around the door here, but the seal's pretty good by itself, and you can see the unit is as it is, and you see that little thing right there. I'll show you how that works real quick. Sorry for the jumping around video. I don't have a foot pedal hooked up on this yet, but when you plug this in and the air starts drawing, it kicks out right there, and all that is a pillowcase, just a pillowcase, and it takes extra small particles that would be in the air that get through this system. So it's really two filters in one, and it's got a good suction to it. It really does. At any rate, got a little bead around here all the way around the top, so that's going to make a nice seal when I put the top down on there. That'll make a nice seal, and the whole unit will draw harder. I've had to go around and pack things in certain places of and cover things to get the vacuum really well. And it's underneath the table saw, you have little spots. You got to stuff them full of something. I just use wadding, and that just makes the whole thing tight, airtight. And I've got these with weather stripping and such as that, where it connects with clips, so I can pop it off and take it off if I want to. But everything works really well, actually, and it keeps the air cleaner in my shop. And that's job one with me, because my allergies and everything, man. I'll tell you what, my breathing is harsh. So this is almost done. When this silicone dries, it'll make that seal, and I can put these down and have a screw in each one of these blocks that holds the top down, and we'll be good to go with that. This job will be finished. This was made actually a couple of years ago, and I just would put something like that over top of it to make a seal, and that would continue drawing from inside of the saw. But what I'm going to have is going to be a little doorway right here that leans forward to about there, and lets the air draw through, come in, or from the bottom, either way. Maybe from the bottom, that way a big chunk of stuff will fall down there. And but when I want to seal that off, I'll shut it. We'll have a seal around that, and we can just use the table up top. So, just me piddling in my shop, but that's how I did it. I don't know how other people may do it. Might make it different, but the motor that I used inside of this is an actual unit from an old air conditioning, house air conditioning, central heating air conditioning squirrel cage fan. So I bought that and put it in the back side over here, and it draws and goes out and blows out right here, which I said that gets you your micro stuff. You just pull that off, you just hold on with some bands. You just pull that off, dump it, wash it, or get another one, whatever. Easy peasy, man. It's nice, and it keeps the place clear and clean. And I don't have stuff going all over my shop or into my studio. It's important to me. So, hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Maybe you got a better idea. I wouldn't doubt it. But anyway, have a good day, guys.